Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to tell you guys the Paragonix earn review, if this is real or not. So at first we'll see what this is actually about. As you can see, it operates as a trading platform and it has convenience, things like that, invest in Bitcoin, blah 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 blah. Why trade with Paragonix? They say that it's a secure platform, streamlining, and it will automatically trade for you, and it says that they have a 90% accuracy rate. Now let's be honest, if their trading was this much accurate that they had a 90% trading accuracy return, they wouldn't make this app to have it available for others. Rather, they'd be trading on their own and make that money for themselves. A lot of posts and blogs have been made. Anything that tells you, it's a get rich quick scheme, it's fake. Okay, it's a scam. So I would say do not fall for this one. It is a scam. Do not sign in with paragonix.earn. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.